Hello, friends! Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Financial Talk. Imagine your life 20 years from now every morning. The alarm rings. Traffic, stress, exhaustion. Now imagine a different life. You wake up, no alarm, no office, no boss. You decide what to do today, when to do it, and with whom. This is real freedom. And the surprising part is, this freedom is not limited to the rich. Thousands of ordinary Americans are already living this life. This lifestyle's called financial independence, retire early. Today, we will deeply understand FIRE, its philosophy, its math, its reality, and its mistakes. Because FIRE looks attractive, but it is also widely misunderstood. What FIRE really is. FIRE stands for Financial Independence plus Retire Early. But financial independence means your expenses are paid by your investments, not your labor. In simple words, whether you work or not, your income continues. In the traditional system, people work for 40 years, retire at 65, depend on Social Security. But in the FIRE system, people start saving early, invest aggressively, and make time work for them. FIRE is not about being rich. FIRE is about control over time, energy, life decisions. Now, how the FIRE idea was born. FIRE is not a new concept. In the 1980s and 90s, some financial thinkers noticed if you save more and invest smartly, you don't need to work your entire life. Then came a famous book, Your Money or Your Life. This book asked a powerful question. Should your life's time be sold only for money? This question gave birth to the FIRE movement. Today, FIRE is not just about money. It is a life philosophy. The 4 levels of FIRE. 1. Lean FIRE. Very low expenses. Simple living minimalism. Pros. Achieved faster. Cons. Stress during emergencies, lifestyle compromise. 2. Regular FIRE. Balanced life. Comfortable spending, middle-class freedom. The most realistic FIRE goal. 3. Fat FIRE. Luxury lifestyle, high medical and travel budgets. Requires, high-income business or high-paying careers. 4. Barista FIRE, part-time work, health insurance support, low-stress lifestyle. The modern FIRE version, the core math of FIRE, the 4% rule. Now let's talk about the backbone of FIRE, the 4% rule. If your annual expenses are $30,000, FIRE number $750,000, $40,000. FIRE number equals $1 million, $50,000. FIRE number equals $1,250,000. The formula is simple. Annual expenses times 25. This rule is based on over 100 years of market data, inflation-adjusted returns, worst-case scenarios. But remember, the 4% rule is not a guarantee. It is a guideline. Net. Why investing is essential for FIRE. Saving alone will not make you wealthy. Investing will. Americans pursuing FIRE typically invest in employer match equals instant return tax-deferred growth. Donors Roth IRA. One of the most powerful retirement tools, tax-free withdrawals, dollar brokerage accounts. Bridge money for early retirement, EOT index funds. low fees, long-term stability. FIRE investors avoid day trading, stock tips, emotional decisions. A real-life FIRE example. Let's assume a couple, age 25, income $80,000 per year. If they save 45% of income, invest $36,000 annually, increase income gradually in 15-18 years. Portfolio crosses $1 million expenses. Stay controlled, financial freedom achieved. Age 42 equals financially independent. No inheritance. No lottery. Just discipline. Biggest mistakes in FIRE: extreme saving, ignoring health, killing social life, overconfidence in markets. Many people reach FIRE but still feel unhappy because they forgot how to live. FIRE vs. normal retirement. Normal retirement. Age-based, government dependent. FIRE retirement. Choice-based, self-controlled. FIRE gives you options, not obligations. The real meaning of FIRE. FIRE does not mean you must quit work at 35. FIRE means you work because you want, not because you are forced to, even if you never fully achieve FIRE. Early investing, conscious spending, debt-free living will still put you ahead of 90% of people. Because retirement is not an age. Retirement is a financial position. If you want to build freedom beyond money, subscribe to this channel. Because here, we don't teach retirement, we design freedom.